Good morning, students. Today we are starting our new unit 5, that is lines and angles. Here we will read about perpendicular, parallel, different types of lines and angles formed on them and their properties. In exercise 1, 5.1, we will be dealing with two types of angles: complementary angles and supplementary angles. First, see what are complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Is it clear? हम दो angles लें और अगर उनका ऐड करने पे सम 90 आ रहा है, देन दे आर कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. एंड नेक्स्ट इज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ऐसे एंगल्स, टू एंगल्स हुज सम इज 180 डिग्री आर कॉल्ड सप्लीमेंट्री angles. Is it clear? So what you get if two angles are given and you add, if the answer is 90, you will call them complementary. If the sum is equal to 180 degree, then you will call them supplementary angles. Now see exercise 5.1. Our question first is find complement of each of the following. One angle is given to you and you have to find its complements, its paired angle. Now you know that sum of complementary angles is 90 degree. So if we subtract the given angle from 90 degree, we will get its complement. The complementary angle of measure 20 degree is 90 minus 20, you get it 70 degree. Same way 63 is given. The complement you have to find, complement of angle of measure 63 degree is 90 minus 63, 27. When 57 is given, you subtract it from 90 degree, the answer is 33. So whenever you are given to find complementary, you will just subtract from 90 degree and you will get its complement angle. Question number second, in place of complement we have to find supplement of the given angle. Find supplement of the angles. You know that sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. Therefore in this क्वेश्चन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द गिवन एंगल फ्रॉम 180 डिग्री. आप जो एंगल दिया हुआ है उसको 180 से माइनस करेंगे क्योंकि सम कितना होता है दो सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का 180 डिग्री. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सप्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल ऑफ मेजर 105 is 180 minus 105, that is 75 degree. 87, the supplement of angle of measure 87 is 180 minus 87. Your answer is 93. When 154 is given, we subtract it from 180 degree and we get the answer 26 degree. In these two questions, what we have done, जब हमें complement निकालना है तो हम 90 से माइनस करेंगे. When we have to find supplement, we subtract from 180 degree. Now in question number third, two angles are given and we have to find whether the given angles are complementary or supplementary. We have to find whether the given pair is complementary or supplementary. Now in this both the angles are given, so you will find the sum. If sum is 180 degree, I have written therefore they are supplementary angles. This is the sign of angles. Just draw angle and put S. I am showing here also. Just put angle and S. This is short form of angles in mathematics. So 65 plus 115, 180. Therefore this is supplementary angles. Is it clear? Now 63 plus 27 degree, 90, therefore complementary angles. Just in this, in all we have to find sum. If sum is 180, supplementary, sum is 90, I have written complementary angles. Is it clear? Now question number 4th is find angle which is equal to its complement, जो अपने complement के equal होगा. Now let the angle be equals to x, then its complement will be is equal to x. Why? Because they have given equal to its complement, वो अपने complement के equal है. तो we have supposed one angle x, तो next angle its complement will also be x, they are equal. Now according to given condition, therefore as these angles are complementary, therefore what will be their sum? Therefore x plus x should be 90 degree, 2x is equal to 90 degree, and from here you can find value of x. 2 multiply में है, when it will shift its position it will become divide 45 sir. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree is your answer. तो अगर and you can also check your answer. 45 plus 45 is 45 plus 45 90 degree. तो दोनों ही 45 हो तो the sum will be 90 degree. They are complementary angles. Now the same question, but in this part we are given supplement. Find angle which is equal to its supplement. Let the angle be x, then its supplement, as supplement is equal. हमने सप्लीमेंट कैसे फाइंड करते थे? 180 से माइनस करके. यहाँ सप्लीमेंट इक्वल है, दिस मीन्स इट विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू एक्स. नाउ एज these angles are supplementary, now sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree, therefore x plus x is equal to 180 degree. When you add them, 2x equal to 180 degree, I will shift to right hand side, this becomes 90 degree. So our supplementary angle is equal to 90 degree. Now question number 6, in a given figure angle 1 and 2 are supplementary. See the figure, they have given this is 1 and this is 2, these together form a supplement. स्ट्रेट लाइन बन रही है 180 डिग्री. इफ 1 को डिक्रीज करते हैं, what changes should take place in 2 so that both angles still remain supplementary? What they want to say, उन्होंने एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे 2 एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं, एक का नाम 1 है और दूसरे का 2. Now they say in place of this line, see my pen, this is 1 and this is 2. Now if I decrease 2, इस 2 को फर्स्ट 1 को डिक्रीज करें, if I decrease 1, इसको ऐसे करके हम डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं, तो आप देख रहे हो जो पीछे वाला एंगल है ये एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? बड़ा हो जाएगा. 1 को अगर हम 1 को बड़ा करते हैं, ये 1 है, इसको मैं बड़ा करूँगी तो 2 छोटा हो जाएगा. बिकॉज टुगेदर दे शुड फॉर्म अ सप्लीमेंट्री angles. So what we will write, that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because these are supplementary angles. Now if angle 1 is decreased, then what will happen to angle 2? Hence then angle 2 is increased, so that both sum of, so that sum of two angles remain the same. Is it clear? And if one is decreased, then if one is decreased, angle 2 will increase. If angle 1 will be increased, then 2 will be decreased. Is it clear? Vice versa, because sum will remain the same. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? अगर दोनों acute हो. What are acute angles? Angles whose measure is less than 90 degree, जो 90 से छोटे हैं, they are acute. अब 90 से छोटे हैं means sum will be less than, their sum will be equal to 180? No, their sum will be less than 180. Therefore, acute angle means less than 90 degree. Therefore, they will not form a supplementary angle. Obtuse angle, अगर दोनों ही angles greater than 180 हुए, 90 डिग्री हुए, तो क्या होगा? 90 से ऊपर हम 91 भी ले लें तो 91 प्लस 91 कितना हो गया? 182. दिस मीन्स थोड़ा सा भी 90 से ऊपर लेते ही द सम विल बी ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. देयरफॉर दे विल नॉट फॉर्म सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का सम क्या होता है? एग्जैक्ट टू 180 डिग्री. इफ बोथ ऑफ देम आर 90, तो यस, वाई? बिकॉज 90 डिग्री प्लस 90 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो दोनों एंगल्स 90 से कम होंगे तो 180 से हमें कम सम मिलेगा. दे विल नॉट फॉर्म सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. इफ दे विल बी मोर देन 90 डिग्री तो 180 से ग्रेटर मिलेगा सम. देयरफॉर दे विल नॉट फॉर्म अ सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. एंड इफ both the angles are 90 degree, then only they will form supplementary angles, because then their sum will be 180 degree. Now question number 8 is very important. An angle is greater than 45. There is one angle और वो 45 से बड़ा है, थोड़ा सा भी whatever measurement, but it is greater than 45. Is its complement? कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल हम कैसे निकालते थे? व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 90 डिग्री. तो उसका जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है, दे आर सेइंग विल इट बी ग्रेटर देन 45? वो 45 से बड़ा होगा, इक्वल होगा, या 45 से कम होगा. सो सी, इफ लेट गिवन एंगल, यू आर what is given? Greater than 45. Let given angle is equal to 45 plus x. Therefore, complementary angle will be, you know complementary कैसे निकालते हैं? 90 माइनस जो आपका दिया हुआ एंगल है 45. अब ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर माइनस हो, देन साइन विल चेंज. All the sign inside the bracket will change. minus 45 minus x. 90 minus 45 क्या आएगा? 45 minus x. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल जो था आपका वो कैसा आया? लेस देन 45 माइनस एक्स. ये x कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट जस्ट वी वॉन्ट टू से कि अगर एक एंगल 45 से बड़ा है, then its complement will be less than 45. Therefore, we can say, therefore, if complement is greater than, if angle is greater than 45, if angle is greater than 45 degree, then its complement will be less than 45 degree. Is it clear? हमने एंगल ग्रेटर लिया 45 से, 90 में से माइनस किया तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री आ रहा है 45 माइनस एक्स. मीन्स इफ एंगल इज greater than 45, its complementary will be less than 45. That's all for today. Thank you.